Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope everyone are doing good. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and follow. Okay, guys, for today's another unboxing. Yes, I've come with another unboxing video. Yes, so we gotta do what we gotta do as a content creator. Okay, right? Okay, guys, I have new work hard shoes. Okay, it's a New Balance. As you can see, the name brand is New Balance. Okay, we got this one from Kohl's. Okay, if you live here in America, you know where Kohl's, we have Kohl's store here. Okay, the other day I and my friend went to do shopping, went out, we went for shopping, and cause we're having this huge sale. Okay, huge sales. Okay, they have sales all over the store, and it was a 50%, as from 50% off whatever you get. Okay, this is the New Balance. This is the case, the carton, as you can see. And look at it, guys. I said original price was $84.99. Okay, now it's now with 40% off. Okay, it was 40% off. Yeah, and this is the shoe, white New Balance shoe. Okay, the shoe is so nice. And shout out to Mama Sita. Okay, Mama Sita got it for me. Like, seriously, that woman, God will bless you, God will replenish your pocket. She was like, okay, you know what, I'll get this one for you. I said, like, yes, like, seriously, yes. Say, go ahead, take it, I'll pay for you. So, whoa, I was so happy. Yeah, my friend, my amazing friend, my sister from another mother. Okay, yeah, this is the shoe, and the size is size 9. Okay, size 9, America size. Look at the shoe. My workout, I'm ready set for my workout this morning. I said, let me put on my new shoe. Before I put it on, let me show it to you guys. Okay, this is my new workout shoe, guys. I hope you guys like it. Okay, if you do, please give the video a thumbs up and share. Okay, let me put it on, then I will be right back. Let me put it on. I like the color and the pink detail. Okay, let me put it on and then I'll show it to you guys. I looked on my leg. All right, guys, let's put it on. The shoe was so comfortable and it's very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. I really like the shoe, so soft and comfortable. Thank you all for watching my video. I appreciate every one of you. If you are new to my page, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and follow, and make sure to also share out the video. I appreciate every one of you. I appreciate the love and the support. May God bless every one of you. And also shout out to my friend Mama Sita, aka Ama. I appreciate you. May our friendship last for a very, very long time. Thank you, God, for the gift of life. Thank you for your provision. Thank you for the love. Thank you for everything that you've done. Thank you for the gift of life. I appreciate you, Lord. I'm so grateful to have a friend like Mama Sita in my life. Yeah, I'm so grateful also to have you guys, my followers, my subscribers. Also, I appreciate every one of you. Please don't forget to always share my video, and don't forget to always watch to the end and leave your comments and drop your like. I appreciate you guys. Please help me share, because sharing is scary. I love you guys. I love you guys. This is me using it to test my mini stepper. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Bye everyone. One love. Keep us together.